Are you tired of spending hours crafting the perfect social media strategy, only to repeat the same tasks every week? With the rise of AI, you can now automate and supercharge your social media game, saving you precious time and resources. In this tutorial, we'll be diving into the world of AI-powered social media tools, specifically how to use them to schedule, write, and design engaging content that captivates your audience. To start, let's take a look at the tools we'll be using. For scheduling, we'll be leveraging Hootsuite's latest AI-powered feature, which allows you to schedule posts in bulk with just a few clicks. For writing, we'll be utilizing the AI-powered content generator from Lumen 5, which can create up to 20 posts in just a minute. And for design, we'll be using the AI-driven visual content creator from Canva, which can generate custom graphics and videos in a matter of seconds. Let's begin with scheduling. In Hootsuite, navigate to the Composer tab and click on the AI-powered posting option.